Hi everyone, this is DCC3103 Geotechnical Engineering Notes. So these notes was provided to help you guys increase your knowledge about this course. So this slide was prepared by Panor Azalina and also Panor Azmu. So let's start. For chapter 1 for DCC3103, it is Introductions to Geotechnics. As we know, most of the construction will relate to the civil engineering. Civil engineering is a technology that includes numerous other disciplines that produce useful facilities for human beings, include roads, dams, waste disposal and other facilities that are used in our daily life. For your information, geotechnical engineering also deals with soils, rocks, foundation of buildings and bridges, highway, sewers and underground water systems. Technical information obtained from the science of geology, material testing and hydraulic is applied in the design of foundations and structure to ensure safety economy of constructions. Before any construction starts, we should know about the condition of the soil, the characteristics of the soil, the strength and others. When all the information shows that the soil is suitable to save any constructions. So this is for subtopic 1.1 soil mechanics in general. So in subtopic we will discuss details about soil mechanics. Soil mechanics is a branch of science that deals with the study of the physical properties of the soil and the behavior of soil masses subjected to various types of forces. Soil engineering is an application of the principle of the soil to practical problems. When we study on a sample of the soil, we can get details about the soil characteristics such as the type of soils, the colors, and the smell or texture of the soil, so that by using all the information, we can conclude which type of construction safe to build or which type of solution that we can use to protect the soil. We need to know the characteristics of soil to make sure that the conditions of soil is suitable for any constructions such as foundations, underground and earth retaining structures, pavement designs, excavations, embankments and also for dams. So this picture shows the failure of the dams. Rock. What is a rock? Can anyone tell me what is the definition of the rocks? Rock definitions is naturally occurring solid aggregate of minerals. The scientific studies of rock is called petrology. There are three types of basic rocks. Firstly is igneous rock. This rock formed from cooled lava or magma. Secondly is sedimentary rock, which is formed from sediment and chemical precipitation from seawater. And lastly is metamorphic rock, which form from other rocks that recrystallize under higher pressures or temperatures. Okay, this slide shows the classification of rocks. As you can see, sedimentary rocks are divided into three parts, which is clastic, chemical and biology. So every part there are a lot of examples of types such as conglomerate, breccia, sandstone, siltstone, mudstone, and shale is categorized into clastic sedimentary. Limestone, dolostone, and evaporates is chemical sedimentary. Coal and chert is biologic sedimentary. Next is igneous rock. Igneous rock are divided into two types, which is intrusive and extrusive. Gabbro diorite, granodiorite, and granite are the example of intrusive igneous. However, basalt, andesite, dacite, and rhyolite are the example of extrusive igneous rock. Slate, schist, and gneiss, and also marble are the example of metamorphic rocks. Okay, this slide shows subtopic for 1.1.3, which is define the engineering aspect of soil. In this topic, you will know details about soil. Soil is the unaggregate or uncement deposit of mineral and or organic particles or fragments covering large portions of the Earth's crust. Okay, this slide shows the formation process of the soil. As you can see, soil is divided into three types, which is organic soil, transport soil, and also residual soil. Okay, next is about sample. There are two types of sample, which is disturbed and undisturbed sample. Disturbed sample, which is in host land, take regardless of actual situation land at the construction site. So the sample in use to the meaning, classification, and density of soil. Keep in hermetically sealed container to avoid of happen condensation and discolorations. So for undisturbed sample, in host land that disruption with the situation a minimum to maintain site actual situation stated. The purpose of this undisturbed sample, which is test shear, permeability test, and consolidation test, keep in hermetically sealed container and tertiary care. This is about land sampling method. So the tools that we can use for land sampling method is open tube sampling, spoon separate standard, wall sampling tin, barrel sampling separate, and also piston sampling. Okay, that's it for now. So we will continue next chapter in the next slides. Thank you. Bye.